Welcome, adventurers, to our thrilling YouTube video, Outdoor Adventure Challenges, Pushing Your Limits in Nature. Get ready to embark on a journey of excitement, adrenaline, and personal growth as we explore the incredible world of outdoor challenges. In the vast playground of nature, there are endless opportunities to push your limits and discover the extraordinary within yourself. By embracing outdoor adventure challenges, you open the door to a multitude of benefits and experiences that will leave you transformed. First and foremost, outdoor challenges allow you to break free from your comfort zone and experience the exhilarating rush of exploring uncharted territory. Whether it's scaling towering cliffs, navigating roaring rapids, or sprinting through rugged trails, these activities offer a unique sense of liberation and freedom. Engaging in physical outdoor challenges provides numerous health benefits. These adventures get your heart pumping, muscles working, and help improve your overall fitness level. Regular physical activity can strengthen your cardiovascular system, boost your metabolism, and contribute to weight management. It also enhances your endurance, stamina, and agility, making everyday activities feel easier and more enjoyable. But it's not just your body that benefits from these adventures. Your mind reaps the rewards too. Immersing yourself in nature and embracing outdoor challenges is a powerful way to boost your mental well-being. The tranquility of the wilderness, coupled with the adrenaline and excitement of the challenges, creates a perfect environment for stress reduction, improved focus, and enhanced clarity. Outdoor challenges offer a unique opportunity to escape the constant distractions of the modern world. Disconnecting from technology and immersing yourself in nature allows you to recharge and rejuvenate. It provides a break from the fast-paced, screen-dominated lifestyle, allowing you to be fully present in the moment and connect with the beauty and serenity of the natural world. As you navigate unfamiliar terrain and overcome obstacles, you develop valuable problem-solving skills. You learn to assess situations, make quick decisions, and adapt to ever-changing circumstances. These skills translate far beyond the outdoors and become valuable assets in your everyday life. Outdoor adventure challenges also offer a profound opportunity for personal growth. By stepping out of your comfort zone and conquering new feats, you cultivate self-confidence and self-esteem. The belief in your own abilities and the recognition of your potential become powerful tools that can propel you to achieve greatness in all aspects of life. But perhaps one of the greatest rewards of outdoor challenges is the sense of connection and camaraderie you experience. Whether you tackle these adventures with friends, family, or fellow adventurers, the shared experiences forge deep bonds and create lifelong memories. Together, you support and motivate each other, building a community of like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift one another. Through outdoor challenges, you also cultivate a deep appreciation for the beauty and wonders of the natural world. As you immerse yourself in the wilderness, you develop a heightened sense of environmental awareness and learn to cherish and protect the fragile ecosystems that surround us. Join us on this exhilarating journey as we push our limits, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the true meaning of outdoor exploration. Don't forget to check out our recommended shop for quality gear that will enhance your outdoor adventure challenges. It's time to ignite your passion for the outdoors and embark on unforgettable experiences that will leave you feeling alive, empowered, and connected to the natural world. Let the adventure begin.